In 1932, Australia went to war, not against another country, not against rebels, but against birds. Thousands of giant emus invaded farmland. And what happened next became one of the strangest military stories in history. After World War I, struggling veterans were given farmland to rebuild their lives. But every year, nearly 20,000 emus migrated inland. They trampled crops, smashed fences, and destroyed entire harvests in days. The farmers demanded help. So the government sent soldiers from the Royal Australian Artillery, armed with Lewis machine guns. They believed this would be quick. After all, how hard could it be to defeat birds? The first ambush began. The trigger was pulled. The gun jammed. The emus scattered instantly. They ran at incredible speeds, splitting into smaller groups. The soldiers couldn't keep up. Weeks passed. Thousands of bullets were fired. But only a small number of emus were killed. Newspapers began mocking the operation. Cartoons showed emus winning medals. The army was becoming a joke. Eventually, the operation was withdrawn. The emus remained. No surrender. No victory parade. Just a strange chapter in history. A modern army defeated by nature.